let's just say that we wanted to cash out refi on this thing. Okay. So now, if we're just looking at paying the loan down and outside of looking at how market conditions would actually grow our equity, let's just look at paying the loan down. Okay. So it would take us 138 months to pay this loan down by $100,000. Okay, 138 months. We divide that by 12. That gives us 11 and a half years. Okay, 11 and a half years. Just by paying the loan down, we were able to cash out $100,000. But guess what? It would cost us $162,000 in interest that we had just ignored to get there. So here's what I'm saying. What if our goal was to get to $100,000 in equity, but we could get there in 5 years, not at $162,000 in interest, but maybe closer to 50 grand in interest paid to get to the same point. So we're acquiring the property at a much lower interest cost to do the same thing without sacrificing any of the money we need to invest in other properties. So if we could do that and save $110,000 in interest that we didn't have to pay to get to the same point where we could cash out $100,000. Now, what do we do with that $110,000 we didn't have to pay the bank, Mr. Tira?
I mean, there's a plethora of opportunities. I go to the next one, on to the next.
That's what we're
If
talking
anyone
about.
needs a lot, I've got it, by the way. Like, I have a ton of lots I want to develop on.
Yeah.
That makes sense. I mean, this is kind of how you could do it somewhat sustainably,
Yes.
which is what I'm trying to figure out.
That's what we're talking about. Stop treating that interest as the cost of doing business, and let's see how we can borrow your money at a discount.
Awesome. Now, could I ask a practical question? Will you do this?
Yes.
I mean, it's not necessarily in favor of, this is not what the bank or the lending company intended, right?
Mhm.
So do you need to, I mean, obviously you do diligence to keep track of this, but does it happen just sort of like automatic? You say pay a year off of principal and it'll take you to the same place.
Right.
Should I request that in statement? I guess it would show. When I think about one of the properties I have here, Accordion Ranch in Bernie, it does not show what I owe, a balance. I guess I just have to do my due diligence, my account keeping. How does this work in relation to the bank? Like, are y'all on the same page, or do you just surprise them in 7 years? Like, what's the process? Like,
Okay.
practically.
Well, listen, that's a great question. So here's what's going on. The computers keep track of all of this. Okay. So every time you disrupt their timing, all right, and put more towards principal, saving interest, you destroy the old amortization schedule and their computers generate a new one every time you do that. So that's not going to be a problem. The other thing is to keep up with it. If they have computers keeping up with their end, why are we trying to keep up on our end with a pad and pen and our pencil and a dime store calculator? What we need is to fight fire with fire. We have some financial technology that keeps track of all of this for you. It tells you how much to pay, what month to pay it in, what day of the month to pay it on, and we're going to calculate the interest savings, and you can predict into the future when you're going to have the cash that you intend to pull out of this property. And we're going to even predict the amount of interest that you will have had to pay to get there. So all of this is taken care of by what we call our opportunity cost calculator, our OCC. When we plug all the numbers in there, it takes care of everything for you. You follow the prompts like financial GPS. It takes a very complicated system, simplifies it for the user, and optimizes their savings and their earnings. What do you say?
Yeah, excellent. Wish I had known about this sooner. But yeah, that's great. Well, definitely. When you say all this, I just was clicking on the P.I.L.L Method Clubhouse digital business card.
Mhm.
How do I opt in? I mean, I've already followed you. Is there a website?
Okay.
I need to tap into this soon, I think.
So you mean the P.I.L.L method itself, or the
And what you said, like the calculator that will make this all seamless, and it just seems like a service that I pay for. Like, where do you?
all right, so what you do is that you should get a savings and earnings report.
Okay.
All right, when you click on that, you just follow the instructions, and then as you follow the instructions, it'll let you into a form where you can put in your financial data. Put in your financial data, and then somebody from my staff will give you a call back and set up a consultation. Then you can know the month, day, and year you can be debt free on that property. We'll also be able to discuss when it would be the best time to cash out refi. You can know how much interest you're going to be saving. You then can find out what we charge for a service for your particular situation. And then we go from there if this is something that looks like it works out for you. But know this, the interest savings, a tiny portion of the interest savings pays for your lifetime program, and you can use it over and over again. I got real estate investors that started, I don't know, back in 2008, and they're paying off their fourth property with the same program that they bought back in 2008 and haven't paid another dime to us. So
But I am curious. It just seems like you sort of have to bite the bullet, and I think you maybe touched on how you don't have to change your lifestyle, this and the other.
right.
And I am curious on how that works practically. Like, it seems like you just need to bite the bullet for 7 years or whatever, and pay things off, and then live comfortably thereafter.
Not at all. That's what's being taught now. You see, the very first thing that you're going to learn with the P.I.L.L method is live an enhanced lifestyle. Okay. Don't cut yourself back. Who's going to get cut back on this deal? Who's going to get cut back is the bank, and not earning all the interest that they wanted to earn. You're going to use your current budget, your current lifestyle, and then grow your equity 5 times faster by cutting interest costs by 75%. So you don't need more money to manage your debt. You need to pay less interest. So no, there is no cutting back. There's no biting the bullet. There is living well as we teach you how to cut interest cost. I mean, it's a totally different mindset. There are folks who teach that. There's a woman that teaches that, and we all know her name. There's a guy in Tennessee that teaches that, and we all know his name. But no, we are not that. You live well while you're doing this, while you're cutting back on your interest cost, which makes everything work. Oh man, I'm so glad you asked that question, because you need to see how all of this comes together.
Yeah, I look forward to it. Thank you so much for the platform. Appreciate it.
You're so welcome.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.